Yo, folks, what up? Welcome to another episode of Dapper Up. It's your boy Richie Naji. Now, if you ask me, I'll say the turtleneck is one timeless piece that every individual, male or female, should have in their wardrobes. Why do I say that? Well, the turtleneck has been around for over 200 years, and those wet seasons or those rainy and cold seasons are not going anywhere. You are certain that at least once every year you would have those seasons. So that is why any of us should have a turtleneck as part of our wardrobe essentials. So once you get your turtleneck, there are different ways to fold the collar of your turtleneck, and that is what today's video is about. Today I'm going to teach you 4 different ways to style the collar of your turtleneck sweater. So don't go anywhere. See you in a jiffy. So delving right into this, let's talk about the no fold. The no fold like I have right here. So when you have a turtleneck and then you don't fold the collar but you simply pull it over like this is called the no fold, as you can see. And this has some wrinkles on it. So it is the most casual way to wear your turtleneck sweater. This doesn't look like a lot of work has gone into it, does it? Yeah. So to pull off the no fold, your turtleneck's collar shouldn't be too long. With a no fold handle, the second way to fold your turtleneck collar is what we call the simple fold over. This is simply folding the collar of your turtleneck over such that its edge covers the seam, okay, the seam of the turtleneck collar below. So this type of fold is called the simple fold over of the turtleneck collar. The simple fold over is the most I've seen from people who wear the turtleneck. I don't know whether it is because that is the default way it is folded when they purchase it from the shops or not. However, if the turtleneck is too long, right, and you, the individual, do not have a long neck, you have a short neck, then this fold wouldn't look good on you. And so in that case, you would want to go with the next 2 folding styles I'm going to talk about. The third fold we are learning about today is the inside fold, which is the opposite of the simple fold over. So what do we do for the inside fold? Well, as the name suggests, you just fold it inside, right? So you fold it inside. So this is opposite to the simple fold over. As you can see, this way, if you happen to have a short neck, you just adjust it in there for it to look the length you want. Meanwhile, I'll recommend the inside fold only when your turtleneck is a lightweight turtleneck, right? Why am I saying this? It's because if your turtleneck is a thick turtleneck, a heavyweight turtleneck, the seam here at the end of the neck, right, is very visible. And so if you do the inside fold, it will be very visible. But for lightweight turtlenecks, the seams are not too visible, and so the inside fold should work just fine. Before I leave you, let's talk about the final fold of the turtleneck, which is the double fold. Before we talk about what the double fold is, let's talk about what the double fold is not. Now, the double fold is not a simple fold folded twice. What I'm saying is that you don't fold the simple fold like this, and then fold it for the second time as a double fold. No, this is not the double fold. If this is not the double fold, then what is the double fold? To execute the double fold, it's like you are dividing your turtleneck collar into three. So first, you fold it this way, not half, but a little bit above half, and then you fold it for the second time. So this is your double fold. Now the advantage with the double fold is that it keeps your turtleneck better in place than the simple fold, and also it makes your turtleneck a bit shorter than the simple fold. So these are the 4 ways you could fold your turtleneck collar. Which one out of the 4 is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. If this video benefited you in any way, then hit the like button and make sure you share with your friends so that they could also learn how to fold their turtleneck collars. For more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn on your notification bell such that whenever a new video drops, you'll be among the very first people to know and proceed to watching the video. It's been Dapper Up, y'all, and the name is Richie Nati. Till the next video, take very good care of yourselves. Salute.